Hello future engineers, here is another video in structural analysis, particularly on the analysis of statically indeterminate beams by multiple methods. This is the last method, method 6 by matrix structural analysis. So here is the original problem. By matrix structural analysis, determine the reactions at A. EI is constant, but I is different for each segment of the beam. So fixed moment at A is it's counterclockwise due to the load 27 times 6 square over 12, and that is by the way, this intensity of the loading, if this distance is x, is 5.4x. W as to x equals 27 as to 5. 27 over 5 is 5.4. So that's why this is 5.4x for the calculation of fixed moments at B and at C. So 27 times 6 square over 12, 81, counterclockwise as shown. So here clockwise 81 also. So BC, fixed moment BC, integral of, so it is counterclockwise, integral of 5.4x dx times this distance A is 5 minus x, and that distance is B, quantity x plus 2 square divided by 7 square, and that is equal to counterclockwise in decimal 49.362, while here is clockwise, integral of 5.4x dx times this distance quantity 5 minus x square, then that distance quantity x plus 2 divided by 7 square, in decimal that's 22.959. So here it consists of two uh, loadings. So we have a strip here 18 dx, and the distance of the centroid of the strip from D is B, and that is x. I'll call that x. So its distance from C is 5 minus x. So due to the uniform load, it is, so the fixed moment is counterclockwise. It is integral of 18 dx times this distance, which is 5 minus x, then the square of that distance, x squared divided by 5 squared, then plus 25 times 2. By the way, the limits of that is 0 to 3 with that integral. Then plus 25 times 2 times 3 square divided by 5 square. Then you will have the moment in decimal 35.82. Then here, integral from 0 to 3 of 18 dx times 5 minus x quantity square times x divided by 5 square, then plus 25 times 2 square times 3 divided by 5 square, and that is clockwise equal to 42.78. And finally, we have clockwise moment here due to this overhanging load, uh, 18 times 1 times zero point 0.5, and that is counterclockwise 9. So remember the stiffness of the segment of the beam or element given by this. So you have to check that the stiffness of element AB, KAB, would be, for instance, 12 times 1.5 divided by 6 cubed, and that would be 1 over 12. So here it's 6 times 1.5 over 6 square, so 1/4. Then I want you to verify the rest of these uh, stiffnesses. Then the numbering, because A is 1, 1, 2, B is 3, 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then for BC, the length is 7, I is 1, factor out EI, then check the numbering is 3, 4, 5, 6. check that these are the elements of its stiffness. And finally, for CD, moment of inertia is 2I. So factor out EI. Then for the element, 12 times 2 over 5 square. So it is numbered 5, 6, 7, 8 as shown. So 24 over 125. This is 6 times 2. 12 divided by 5 square. So that's why 12 over 25. Then check the rest of these elements. So there are two nodes where we have net fixed moments. The vertical rotation would be, the vertical displacement would be 0 for these supports. Then at A also, both the vertical deflection as well as the rotation 0. So we only have three unknowns here: theta B, theta C, theta D. If you want to extend E, that will be 5 by 5. And remember, the calculator allowed is up to 4 by 4 only. That's why we only need to consider B, C, and D. So considering B, C, and D, so we have uh, the net moment at B4, node 4, 81 minus 49.362. Then the nodal load at C is 22.959 minus 35.82, which is theta C or U6. Then at D, U8 or theta D, it's 42.78 minus 9. So 4, 6, and 8. 4, 6, 8 numbering U4, U6, U8. These are the uh, nodal displacements that we are interested of. And we have 4, 4, 4, 4, 1 plus 4 over 7, so that's 11 over 7. 4, 6, 4, 6, 2 over 7. 4, 8, there's none, so 0. Then copy 2 over 7, 0, because the global stiffness matrix is symmetric, as well as the elemental stiffness matrix. Then you have to copy 2 over 7 here and 0. Then 6, 6, we have 4 over 7 plus 1.6, so that's why it's 76 over 35. 6, 8, 6, 8.8, then that's also 0.8, then finally 8, 8, which is 1.6. So remember, these are the net nodal loads at B, C, and D respectively. So to solve for U4, U6, U8, which corresponds to theta B, theta C, and theta D, we have to multiply the inverse of this stiffness matrix, global stiffness matrix, and we have to obtain the product of the inverse of this stiffness matrix and this force matrix here. So the results, U4, U6, U8, or theta B, theta C, theta D, is 23.8874, negative 20.6477, and 31.4364 over EI. We then expand considering AB. So we have the reaction at A, which is AY, then moment AB, then shear just or reaction just to the left of B, and then the moment BA, and we add the fixed end forces. So this is the stiffness of member AB. These are the force matrix. We need AY, MAB, RB left, and MBA. Now, since the global sign convention is, this is the correct global sign convention, counterclockwise rotation positive and clockwise rotation negative. So we have 0, 0. This is delta A. This is theta A. This is delta B, which is 0, and this is theta B, which is 23.8874 over EI. Then the fixed end forces, because AB has a loading which is symmetric, the fixed end force here is equal to 27 times 6 divided by 2, or 81 also. Then the fixed end moment is, this is counterclockwise, so that's treated positive in matrix structural analysis. At the right end, the fixed end force upward is also 81, and the fixed end moment is negative. So we add 81, positive 81, then 81, then negative 81. So 81, that's the fixed end upward force. 81, which is this fixed end moment. 81, which is the fixed end force to the left of B. And then negative 81 is represented by that clockwise moment, negative 81. So AY therefore is, because these are all zeros, so 1/4 of 23.8874 plus 81. Then moment AB is 1/2 of 23.8874 plus 81. So AY, these are the results: AY, MAB, RB left, MBA. So the final answers would be AY, AX0, of course, AY 86.972 kilonewtons, and MAB, this is positive, so clockwise. Remember, smiley face. The moment at the left should be clockwise, but this is counterclockwise. Therefore, moment AB is negative 92.944. So AX0, AY 86.972 kilonewtons, and moment AB negative 92.944 kilonewton meter. So that's it for this video.